Hey guys, and welcome to Fit Tip Friday. This is the video series where I take a question that I've been asked at some point in my career and I give you a quick, straight, to the point answer. Today's question is, how many carbs should I eat? But first, take 2 seconds to subscribe to my YouTube channel, AshmayPT, and also give the video a thumbs up whilst you're at it. So, how many carbs should I eat? How many carbs should you eat? I think this is a question that I can't actually answer. I can't. But don't worry guys, it's not because I don't know everything. I still know everything. It's because there isn't actually an answer to this question. Unlike proteins and fats, there's no minimum requirement of carbohydrates for you to have a healthy functioning body. You can eat 0 carbohydrates and you won't die. That being said, I do think that carbs are very important. Just because they're not essential, it doesn't mean they're not important. The primary functions that I see lost when you are eating really low carbohydrates is going to be performance in the gym and your overall energy expenditure through NEAT and also your recovery ability. I personally notice that when I'm on lower carbs because I'm cutting down or something like that, and I don't have the amount of calories to eat a lot of carbs, my recovery ability, the amount that I can do and recover from, drops dramatically. I also just generally don't have the energy to push through my workouts like I normally would do, so my performance goes down. So because of this, my recommendation for how many carbs you should be eating is to eat as many as you can while still working towards your goals. So basically what I mean by this is, if you're trying to lose weight, you might need to eat 2,000 calories a day to lose weight. That's what you figured out. So what you need to do is you need to plug into that the amount of protein that your body needs, and you need to plug into that the amount of fat that your body needs. And now after those calories have been put into your calorie deficit of 2,000 calories, you might be left with, let's say, 1,000 calories. Every 1 gram of carbohydrates has 4 calories, which means that in 1,000 calories, you've got 250 grams of carbohydrates. So now you would eat 250 grams of carbohydrates, which is the most amount of carbs you can fit while still working towards your goal. In terms of carbohydrate timing, it really doesn't matter as much as a lot of people make out. However, there is definitely a benefit to biasing your carbohydrate intake around your activity, around your workouts, and that's just in terms of energy output, endurance, and also just recovery ability, which is super important. Some people are going to do better on a higher carb diet, some people are going to do better on a lower carb diet. It comes down to lifestyle factors, genetics, food preferences, all sorts. As with most aspects of nutrition, you really need to do some experimentation and find what works best for you as an individual and your individual lifestyle. That being said, for most people, I really do think that a higher carbohydrate diet is what's going to be best. So start off by finding how many carbs you can eat while still following your goal and go with that. And that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching Fit Tip Friday. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, AshmayPT, give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you have any ideas for questions to be answered in future Fit Tip Fridays, let me know in the comment section below and I will get right back to you with an answer. Until the next one, see you later guys.